Don't peep. Oh, you're peeping. Peeping. Put your hand over your eyes like that so you can't see. I want to give you a surprise. Don't look. 1, 2, 3, open. Do you like trains? Lenny, like there's more.
Oh my goodness, how lucky is this little girl?
No peeping. Put your hand over. Turn around like that, and then you can't see. That way. That way you can't see. Go turn around like that.
Like that, yep.
And I'll count and I'll tell you when to turn around. Don't look. Don't look. This will make my bag a lot lighter now when I go home.
Oh, what? Oh.
Okay, turn around. Yay!
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. Today is Friday and it is going to be a special and emotional day today. Kasi today is last day ng ating Ate Paris sa kanyang prep and I'm currently doing her lunchbox and I don't know why it makes me so emotional. You know, making her lunch for the last time sa prep. Next year, ay grade 1 na ang ating Ate Paris and she's really growing so fast. So, I'm just making her like, just a light lunch for today. So, normally yung ginagawa namin para sa kanya is, oh my God, I'm having like goosebumps, guys. Ham and cheese sandwich, but today gusto ko parang ma-enjoy lang niya na light lang ang kanyang lunch and all for last day of prep. So gagawan ko lang siya ng jam sandwich. So meron tayong strawberry jam dyan. So yun yung gagawin natin for her. Maybe I'll just keep it fresh, I'd say. Normally kasi tinu-toast ko. But I think fresh for today's video. Wala na talagang makakapigil, guys. Yung takbo ng panahon ay napakabilis. You know, parang kailan lang nag-start siya ng prep. And then, now, kasi finish na ang kanyang prep. So, today, I think wala na silang klase. Parang clean up na lang. And, I think they're just gonna have like a light, you know, fun day. Yesterday, hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Pumunta tayo sa school nila. And they had some, you know, like they had their Christmas party yesterday. Nagdala kami ng, kasi yung nakatoka para sa amin ay biscuit. So, nagdala kami. Tapos, nagstay kami ng mga 10 minutes doon before nag-start yung class nila. Kasi meron silang parang presentation. So, sila, i-insert ko yung video nila na kumanta sila ng 12 day of Christmas bata yun.
9 clocks are snoozing, 8 dingoes dancing, 7 emus sleighing, 6 sharks are searching.
They were so cute. You know, forever iti-treasure ko yung mga ganito. Kaya, gustong-gusto kong i-document, like, vlog pa more si mami nyo. Kasi, you know, one day, lalaki sila, they will see it, and it's going to be fun to watch, you know, together. So, yeah. Pipigilan kong bumuhos yung luha ko mamaya paghatid ko sa kanya. Kasi, oh my God. Nabuo mo si mami nyo eh. Pahala tayo si mami nyo na may dalaw, guys. Yung hormones resist. Oh my God. Anyways, what makes it more special today is darating yung oh my God. Darating yung mother-in-law ko. Later this morning ay darating siya from Melbourne. So, that's why, kaninang umaga, sobrang aga akong nagising. Si Daddy Mike, maaga siyang gumising kasi pumunta siya ng gym. So, nagising din ako 4:30. Nag-start na akong maglinis. Nilinisan ko yung balcony kasi sobrang, tawag doon, dusty doon. Nilinisan ko. Kagabi, nilinisan ko na dito. So, maano na siya tingnan para ready na pagdating ng biyenan ko. Alam niyo yun, like, I know I've heard a lot of stories about, like, BYENAN, and, they don't have that very, good relationships sa BYENAN nila. Kasi, nung sinabi ko sa, one of the moms sa school, sabi ko, oh, my mother-in-law is coming up from Melbourne, to spend, school holidays with the kids, us, of course, and, parang tinanong niya ako na, and you excited? Parang ano ba na? Kasi minsan hindi maganda yung relationship niya. So like, I'm very excited. Sobrang excited ko na darating yung mother-in-law ko, guys. You know us, like, I love my mother-in-law. She's the sweetest and she's the kindest, guys. Like, nagkakatugma yung mga likes namin, fashion, like, skincare and everything. Mahilig siya sa mga ganun. So, si Ate Paris natin ay magiging very happy din yan siya kasi maybe this afternoon when we pick her up, maybe sasama si lola niya kasi tapos last day niya sa prep, nandito yung lola niya. Alam niyo yun, very special day. Very special day, my goodness. Alright. So, ipapabaon ko to kay Ate Paris. Tingnan nyo, guys. Binili ko to siya sa hindi siya Filipino store talaga. Store lang siya, Asian store. Ayan. So, binili ko yung buttercream na biscuit. Padala ko yan sa kanyang lunch box. Excited lang? Last day.
Yeah. I'm very excited.
And then, school holidays. And they're not going back to school until January 22nd. And when you go back, you'll be in grade 1.
Yeah.
Come on na. Eat your sandwich.
At school, we make a card for Miss Paul. And Miss Michelle, because I'm not coming to see them, paid Monica.
Yeah. So I said bye to them. Will you miss them? Helene, we're going. We're gonna drop Ate Paris to school. Last day of prep. Oh my goodness. Aren't you excited for Ate? Hey, aren't you excited for Ate? Baby girl. Busy man si Inday ah. Nak, have a look here. Hi. Say good morning, guys.
Hello, guys.
Sinuot niya ang kanyang sapatos, baliktad. Come on, we're gonna drop Ate Paris to school, da. Come on. Ate's school, yeah. I'm gonna give Ate Paris a kiss and a cuddle.
No.
No? Okay, come on, let's go. Mwah, love you. You have a good day, okay? Last day. Congratulations, my love.
Thank you.
Come na, Inday. Kakadrop lang namin kay Ate Paris. Maribel! Come on. Drop lang namin to sa dry cleaner, guys. Ang aking blazer. Careful. Go. Ito yung sinuot ko nung birthday ng pinsan ko, guys. At nalagyan siya ng sauce. Tignan nyo. At bala ko siyang suotin sa Christmas party ni Daddy Mike, which is on the 16th. And gusto kong palinisan siya. Dalhin natin sa dry cleaner. Ayan. Pag nakita nito ang part ngayon ay hindi to siya alis. Ay hindi nakapunta pa ng playground. This way. Come here, kiss. Come on. Nini, this way. Come on. Andyan kasi yung playground. Sana dinala ko na lang yung iba. Uy. This is the main thing. Say ayo. Can you say ayo? Yan ang ating pa-outfit for today's video, guys. Back. Busy man ang kanilang niya pa doon. May nagbawakin. Someone's eating. What are you eating? What are you eating? Chocolate! Dinrap namin yung blazer ni Mami dyan. And they have like lollies now for the holiday, for Christmas. And there's one lucky girl. Ah, I'm making chocolate. Ay. Did you say thank you to the lady? Yes? Good girl. We'll brush your teeth when we get home, okay? You sure she didn't look like I'll let Mama carry me. Come on, we have to go to the shops because you know, like Lola Karen is coming soon. Yeah? We still have to buy stuff. Yeah? Is it okay? Is it okay? Okay, come on, let's go. Let's go. So go. We're at TK Maxx.
Mermaid?
Mermaid. Yeah. Shopping for more Celini. We're gonna get a paper bag for Lola Karen's gift and diffuser for the house, so our house will smell good. And we'll get a present for Tito Anthony as well. Oh my God! They say, oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. Open, Mom. Open the house.
We're gonna open the house. You're not allowed to open it. So we have to... Ayan, nakahanap ka agad. Ito man yung pinuntahan ko dito, anak. Hindi man laruan, anak. See? Diffuser. That looks nice.
Mommy.
Bumili si Daddy Mike kanina sa Woolies. Ay, di battery naman yung binili.
Baby, I want a baby.
This one is nice. I'll see if I can find something for Ate Paris' teachers as well, guys. Yeah, give it to them for just to say thank you. Dito. Something na mga ganito lang ba? What is this? Bubble bath, bath crystals, and body scrub. I think that's nice. Yeah. We'll give it to Ati's teacher. Yeah.
Mimi.
That's nice. Beautiful.
Babu Ati.
Babu Babu.
I want a baby.
You want a baby? We'll get the baby later, okay?
No. No.
Mama Carrie, come on. Mama Carrie. Okay. Hi, Lola. Oh my goodness. Oh, you look great.
Thank you. Been up since 3 in the morning.
What time did you leave?
Just now.
Oh, yeah. What time did you leave Melbourne?
I left Ballarat at 5.
Someone's excited for her present. Okay, Ma.
I've got a present for Silent. I'll just leave it up there, Jovi.
Yeah, that's fine, Mom. Yeah.
Ready.
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
She said, ready.
Are you ready? Don't peep. Oh, you're peeping. Peeping. Put your hand over your eyes like that so you can't see. I want to give you a surprise. Don't look. 1, 2, 3, open. Do you like trains? Lenny like trays.
Wow! And what do you say to Lola?
That's you.
You're welcome.
Yay!
Give it to Mummy. You open it later because it's got some... Now,
Good
close your
job.
eyes again.
Thank you, Lola.
Close your
Wow,
eyes
there's more.
again. There's more.
Oh my goodness, how
one.
lucky is this little girl?
No beeping. Put your hand over. Turn around like that, and then you can't see. That way. That way you can't see. Go turn around like that.
Like that, yep.
And I'll count and I'll tell you when to turn around. Don't look. Don't look. This will make my bag a lot lighter now when I go home.
Oh, wow. Oh.
Okay, turn around. Yay! I think you'll really like this.
Oh my
It's
goodness.
German. Do you like magnets?
Oh, Lini.
And when your big sister Paris can show you how to follow the patterns.
Yeah.
the
Oh,
colours.
wow. That's amazing.
Yeah.
Well, I say thank you.
That's a good one to play, having the even
Yeah.
in the car.
Yeah, yeah. That's right. Because it's like
And a door. Where's the... There we go. The door. There's the door. There's the
Oh, they even
windows.
stick to each other, yeah.
One
Oh, do they? Oh, no,
No,
they don't.
they don't.
Oh, okay. So just the thing.
One.
There we go. Look.
Wow.
You can
What
make-
color is this, Lini?
Bing.
Green.
So I'm going to put this here. Oh, I've got the cutest.
Oh, what's this? Erasable crayons.
Are they?
What's this?
Erasable. Yeah, they are.
Oh,
Have to test them.
Let's see.
And I've got some more pencils in my suitcase when I open it. But have a look at... Oh, this is just gorgeous, Jovi. And look, I think it might be a bit big, but hold on to it.
Train. Choo choo. Chaga 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 chaga. Choo choo. Oh. Wow. Yeah, that's a train. There you go. Look, that's the instruction. You have to follow the instructions, right? Ah, you can do it on the floor, honey. This one on top. There. Ooh. Oh no, it's falling. It's falling. Good job. What's the sound of the train, Lini?
Choo choo.
Choo choo. Oh no! Fell down. Time check tayo. It's 12:11 ng tanghali. Ang ating baby Celine ay kakapatulog ko lang. Pinadedi ko. Tapos si Daddy Mike tsaka yung mama niya, andito na pala. Naglakad-lakad sila kasi lunch break ni Daddy Mike. So hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina pag-uwi namin kasi from the shop, pagkarating namin dito, nandito na pala yung mama niya. So, mas nauna pa pala siya sa amin. Kami pa yung hinintay niya. Anyways, I've got this big bag. This is from TK Maxx. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga napamili natin doon. Mag-haul tayo. So, first thing first ay itong aroma diffuser. Yan. So, yung amin before, nasira kasi baby Celine ay palaging pinaglalaruan. And then, earlier today, si Daddy Mike pumunta ng Woolies. Bumili siya ng battery. And for some reason, it's not working. So, pagpunta ko ng TK Maxx, meron silang lang, $20 lang. Kasi $19.99. Ayan. So, bumili na ako. And that one is not battery. So, that's good. I also got this one. So, this is, it says coffee. And it's for $10. Lalagyan ng kape. So, the other day, inorganize ko ang ating pantry. I'll show you quickly, babe. I'm very proud. So, tingnan nyo. O, diba? Malinis na siya. And then, this coffee pods, it doesn't belong here. Kasi lalagyan to ng mga kung ano. Kaya, bumili ako nito para lalagyan nila. Sige. Ayan. Meron pang mga nakabox. Hayaan muna natin yan pala. There. And then, bumili ako nito. So, this one is red velvet diffuser. From $13 down to $7 na lang siya. So, binili ko for the bathroom. Ayan, diba? Para mabango naman. Ay, mahiya tayo sa mama ni Daddy Mike. This is what it looks like. Ayan. Okay. Sana mabango. Yeah. Tapos, ganun lang yan siya. Tapos, it will smell good. The bathroom will smell good. Next one is, hey, I got another scented candle. And naka-sale siya from $17 down to $10. Love it, love it, love it. Anything na pabango ng bahay, I love it. And the next one, kay baby silin ko na laruan. Bumili ako nito. Para siyang pinyato. Ganyan, oh. Sugar, tapos may mani. $5 pa naman. Then, nag-stop kami ng Woolies. Bumili ako ng isang ano lang plastic na strawberries. Ito mga resibo. Bumili ako nito for organizing some stuff sa loob ng fridge. Ayan. Refrigerator bin. Ayan yung tawag. Bumili ako ng dalawa. So, gagamitin natin yan. So, malinis din na natin yung fridge. And, okay. So, Havaianas. This is the only Havaianas na nakita ko doon. Tapos, naka-size 6 pa siya, which is my size. Nakita na ko kasi meron siyang paganyan dyan. May pabato. Binili ko na. Ayan. $25 for this one. Meron akong ganito pero walang bato. Tapos, hindi pa talaga ako nakakita ng Havaianas sa TK Maxx. Binili ko na. And then, I got this one. Shirt. Hindi ko nabuklatin, guys. Ayan. This is for my cousin. Pinsan ko na si Anton. It's his birthday lunch tomorrow. Pupunta tayo ng Gold Coast. So, will be an enjoyable vlog again. Bumili na ako kasi wala na kaming time bukas para bumili. Kasi maaga yung diba, Gold Coast is like, an hour and a half from here, I'd say. Tapos, yung lunch ay napaka-early, 11, kasi yun yung makuhang booking. So, para hindi na kami magmadali bukas, bumili na ako niyan. Tapos, bumili ako ng lalagyan. Tapos, pasok lang yan. Diba? So, we're good to go for tomorrow. Yan yung sa kanya. And then, bumili ako nito, paper bag, kasi si BYENAN ko, birthday niya nung 29th of November. So, hindi ko na pinadala doon sa kanya yung regalo ko kasi alam kong darating naman siya dito. So, ito na lang yung binili ko. May bibigay ako sa kanya. Pakita ko sa inyo naman. Nasa kwarto eh. Tulog si baby silin natin. But dito ko ilalagay. Sobrang cute naman ang paper bag na ito. Uy. So, mamaya. Ibigay natin sa kanya. And then, oh, this one is so cute. Tingnan niyo. Clam, hair clam. Paano ba ito siya eh? Sobrang cute. Tingnan niyo, oh. Diba? $8 for the, tatlo. Okay. Try natin sa hair natin, man. Gaganda ba tayo nito? Ayan siya. Kita ba? Ganyan? Diba? Ganyan siya. And Then, ito, susulatan ko pa pala ito. Bumili ako nito dalawa. Kasi, ibibigay ko sa teachers ni Ate Paris. So, dalawa kasi yung teacher niya, guys. And, yeah, I just wanna give this to them as thank you to them sa pag-teach nila kay Ate Paris. And I know their teachers, guys, like, that's their work. That's their job na mag-teach. But, I appreciate the patience and all that. Kasi, prep, I know it's not easy. Kailangan talaga ng pasensya. So, bumili ako nito for, thank you, and also, Christmas, na lang din. Tapos, mayroon silang card, isa-isa. I'm gonna write them, letter mamaya. Yan. Kasi tapos si Ate Paris talaga gusto din niya ng mga regalo-regalo for the teachers, guys. She actually told me the other day na mamimiss niya yung mga teachers niya. Ganun. So, it just shows na talagang mabait sila kay Ate Paris. Diba? Mabait sila sa mga bata. Kasi kung hindi ka mabait, hindi ka mamimiss. So, yun. Ang ating pamili. Tapos, ikikip ko to kasi sobrang cute niya. Diba? Parang fashionista.
A few moments later.
Let's go, Sago. Mag-dinner kami dyan sa pizza. Where? One? Why the number one? Ah, okay. We're having pizza.
I can I go get some